channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a 15-minute clean here in our living room. I'm going to be setting the timer on my phone to give myself 15 minutes to see how much I could get done. Well, there's not much that needs to be done. I just need to wipe like our TV stand, the bar cart. I have to fluff our pillows, fix the sofa, maybe even vacuum some crumbs off the sofa. There's a couple stuff that do not belong in the living room that has to go put away. And then we have tons of chalk footprints, shoe prints on our floors in the living room right now. So now that the weather is warming up, my two younger kids, Eric and Jayla, have been playing a lot outside with chalk and everything. And well, when everybody steps all over, you know, it's gonna stick to your shoes, to your feet, whatever. You're gonna bring it in and everything. So yeah, I will share with you guys the way my floors are looking. But since we have the darker color floors, it kind of shows everything, especially like the white of the chalk and stuff like that. So I need to go ahead and quickly sweep or vacuum my floors, and then I'm gonna swift mop my floors as well. So yeah, I also wanted to mention that today's video is in a group collab, so I invite you guys to go ahead and check out the playlist once you're done watching my video. That is linked in my description box to give you guys some more 15-minute motivation if you guys are in need for that, or if you guys are just cleaning along with us. Go ahead and pop us up on one of your favorite devices and let's clean together. I also want to mention that this group collab is hosted today by our friend Amachi and our friend Ciara, who is actually our co-host. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and check out their channels as well. They will be linked also in my description box, and their videos will also be in the playlist. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this is a view of what our living room looks like. So I just need to wipe down this whole area because I know that area is super dusty. There's a couple of stuff that don't belong here, especially that egg chair over there that Jayla has. Then I have to clean off the table, wipe it down, fix the pillows, and then like I was telling you guys about our floor and all the tracks. So let's see if the camera will pick it up. But you could see there's just so much footprints and everything, so we need to go ahead and get that cleaned as well. Since we have dark floors, like I mentioned, it does show a lot of everything. Then I need to wipe down this area and maybe move my plants and stuff out of the way because they're probably dusty back there. Is this so I could get able to clean behind the stuff. So yeah, that's how our living room looks. Here's another view from the other side, and we're gonna go ahead and tackle this together. So I already have my 15 minutes set, so I'm gonna go ahead and push play and see how much I could get done with those 15 minutes.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated if I listen to my heart. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. way. 'Cause I am on my way. I am on my way. I am on my way. I am on my way.
Okay, so my time is up already. I did my 15 minutes. I actually broke a sweat as well, so it was kind of like a workout to me. But I pretty much got everything done. I'm going to show you what I still needed to do, but it's not nothing major. I got the most of the cleaning, especially the mopping that was really needing it. I was able to get that done as well. So I'm going to turn my camera around, share with you what I forgot or what I didn't have time to put away. But once again, thank you Amachi NCR for this collab, and don't forget to check out the playlist down below. If you're new, don't forget to click this red subscribe button down here. Don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up, since that helps out my channel a whole bunch. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye. Okay, so the living room is now much more cleaner than what it was. Okay, so like I mentioned, the things I needed to put away was this. I had to put that back away. These books, I took them out from underneath the bar cart. But I'm gonna put those away because they just get like super dusty up there. So they're like, see, very dusty. And then I had to put that, focus. Then I still needed to put that stool back down. But that is what the 15 minutes real time gave me. As you noticed, my living room wasn't a big mess. The floor was a desperate need, so I'm glad I was able to mop that. And then I didn't share it with you guys, but I had a lot of like crumbs and food and stuff thrown under there, so I was able to vacuum that up and then mop the floor as well. While my sofa area is looking nice and cleaned, I wiped down all of my tables, the bar cart, that table. I also wiped down the TV stand, inside, outside, all around. I didn't wipe down the fireplace, and it does need to be wiped down. It's very dusty, but since it's white, it's like if it doesn't show that it's dusty, but it actually really is. Yeah, see, so you could see all the dust that the fireplace has. So I still needed to wipe down the fireplace. Like you guys saw, it was super dusty, but I was able to clean and wipe down most of everything that I wanted to clean and wipe down. So yeah, that's all for today, and once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye.